Alright, snowstorm, March 14th, 2017. We're well over 30 inches. Started out trying to snowblow around the pond, got the tractor stuck, almost fell in the pond. I came inside to dry out. Old backhoe buried. So Joelle's on the tractor. So this all came down in the last 24 hours or so. Got the Kioti lk30 with the John Deere 66-inch cut backhoe on it, or snowblower, I'm sorry. Took the chains off. Thought it was going to be time for spring, but I guess not. So I got the front ones put back on last night. Just to take care of this snow. It's been snowing about 24 hours now. The old Jeep tucked away. Cummins in the garage. But yeah, a little 30-horse Coyote moved all that snow today. Got stuck down the ditch at the bottom of the driveway trying to help the neighbor out. He had his Jeep buried. He's got a newer four-door Rubicon. Says herbs. So we went over, tried clearing up the neighbors there too. But like I said, it's 36 plus inches. Huge snowbank. Not sure what we would have done without the snowblower. I think we have a new addition to the channel. Got the picked up a 2015 Polaris. Some real aggressive tires on it. Can't remember the name right off the top of my head right now, but we had that out today trying to get the tractor pulled out, and that didn't do so well for us. But we got some tinkering to do on that. Well, some videos posted. Barn. Snowblower. See the back wheels are broke on that, or the wheels are broke on that. We used a grade 8 bolt for a shear pin, and it snapped the axle. A little low on firewood. Hopefully it warms up soon. Sister, what are you doing? Come on, sissy. It was about 7:30 or so. Plow truck came through once today. So we were out snowblowing the road, plowing the road. Trying to let everybody else get unburied. And Joel's trying to do some cleanup right now just to make it easier tomorrow. I think she may have just broke a shear pin. Yep, she broke shear pin. So, see the second stage is turning, but the main auger isn't. So, yeah, we used the box blade, everything all cleaned up and stuff. So, hopefully just a shear pin. I guess we take care of that now. All right.